Hello and welcome back to your QuickBook tutorial on real company data. Continue to the previous video. We have recorded these few entries which is shown in the profit and loss. Let us navigate in this company a little more in detail to understand this profit and loss clearly and to easily navigate in this. You will find out that how can we see the profit and loss is on a customer base. Look at this board is with this customer, so this is the total of according this customer, and this is then the all total of this customer including all these trips of this boat. We can also take this in one more when in one another scenario which I will explain with the property business. So in spite of this Timur one boat, in fact this is a fishing boat name, it can be a property building where there is flats like flat number 1, flat number 2, flat number 3, flat number 4, flat number 5. So this way you can handle the property business and you can get the profit of every flats or every shop for which you receive your rent. Now how can we see to see the profit of another boat? We'll go to customize report, we'll go to filter, and from here we'll click this and then we'll take another boat. These are all the names of the boat is I have already explained. So let us see Asad. Click OK and you got all the trips of the Asad boat. This is the customer and these are the profits. All these heads you can see them slowly scroll like this. I scroll for you in order to see all the heads, all the profit and loss cost heads, then crew share, then owner expenses. Okay, there is one more thing which is necessary to mention here. Since that the fishery business is the partnership between the boat owner and the crew, the fish catching crew which is going in the ocean and catch fish, so there are expenses which is charged to the business and charged to both the owner and the crew. These are the expenses which is mutually agreed that this will be charged to the P&L and it will be decreasing the profit of owner and the profit of crew equally. But there are some expenses which are agreed. If those expenses happened, this will be only paid by the owner. So this is why we have shown these expenses in this portion, and it is subheaded by the name of owner bills. So these are the expenses which is only hitting in reducing the profit of the owner. Up to this stage, this 705.658 gross profit divided by 2, this 352,000 gone to the crew, and then we charge this in order to reduce the profit of owner, but we had not charged these here in the cost as per the term and agreement settled with the crews all over the world. This rule is running in the fishery business, that there are some expenses, some for example engine replacement or some other big expenses which is happening in the boat, crew is not responsible for that. That is only the owner who will fix it and who will bear the expenses for that. So I hope you understand this. Why is this profit and loss divided in the two expenses? So these are the cost expenses, cost of goods, which is charging both the crew and the owner, and this is the crew share given. Since that this is our company and we are booking the crew share, the share given to the partners, the crew which is in fact our partner. So I hope you understand this situation. So as we have seen the profit and loss job wise, this is the job wise that we see the profit and loss. Let's see one more job of a boat. Job wise profit and loss of a boat, in which a customer, the broker, or you can say the distributor, will be changed. Let's see who is the boat which is not with that distributor but it is with some other distributor. If we see this Zulfikar, let's see in which distributor under this is running. Look at, see, here is another vendor, Haji Rafiula, and he is dealing this boat. So we can see that this boat has done so far only 2 trips. Maybe that trip the boat will be out of order, it is possible, or maybe it is accident, or maybe it is standing for renovation in this season. So there are only 1 or 2 trips, but we can see that the customer is changed. So we can see a profit and loss by customer, we can see profit and loss by job, we can see profit and loss by class, and we can also see profit and loss, the total profit and loss of the company, in which these 10 or 11 fishing boat is running under this company. So look at this, here is financial of the company and this is the profit and loss standard. If we give the range, for example, we want to see it from 1st July 2018 to date, we'll see that this much, these are the sale of the times, like this, 5,126,550, and so the cost of goods, the gross profit, take it more big, from July 16 the figure got bigger. Now we can see that the cost is also coming in full. Look at this, and here are the profit and loss, the owner expenses, crew share, depreciation also charged, and the owner bills. This section is almost I think it is the charges which is directly, maybe some government charges and some miscellaneous and some office expenses. It is like an administrator kind of expenses. These are the operational owner's bills, owner bill, and in the top, as you have seen, those that were the cost, and here is the net result. So this was the profit and loss of the whole company. So we are slowly and gradually coming to the conclusion, to the profit and loss analysis. Let us see profit and loss class wise. These are the reports, customized report which I have made. You can see profit and loss by class with unclassified. So what is unclassified? Let's see. Now these are the boards. Look, Asad, As we have seen, there were many trips and this Asad boat. So is Baba Farid, and one by one every boat. And these are all our boats. And these are some unclassified expenses. Now, what is this unclassified? The unclassified expenses are those expenses to which we have not allotted any class or any job. These are the actually expenses which is occur maybe some outside of the fish of the boat cage, apart from the cage expenses, which is paid by the company. Look at this. What is this? These are some expenses which are not booked with class. But to understand the unclassified, we are clear that if we do not allot class or job, QuickBook will automatically accumulate those expenses or such kind of sales to this unclassified. So we are clear with unclassified, and this is a class wise total of the board, including all the trips totaled all together. These are the results. Some boards are in profit and some boards are in loss, and so far we have done this with the classes and we have done this with the jobs. So guys, I hope you understand this. If you have any question regarding this, you write me in the comments, and I would surely try my best to give the possible suitable answer to solve the query. So in the next video, I would like to discuss the chart of account of this company. So we are going to slowly and gradually concluding the fishery businesses we have observed, and we have seen that how is the customer created, how are the vendors created, and how are the classes created, and how are the jobs created, and how have we have all this made this company. So I hope you like this course. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share these videos. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. Take care till then. Bye bye.